Hello student, good morning everyone. It's my second video for class 10th chapter acid, base and salt. In this video I am going to explain you about how the preparation of acid occur. First method that I explain, that is method of preparation of acid. Acids are generally prepared by the following method. There are different types of method for preparing the acid. First method that I explain here, by synthesis or direct combination. What is the meaning of direct combination? When hydrogen comes in contact with, react with chlorine, then formation of hydrogen chloride happen. Actually it is a hydrochloric acid. Next point, when hydrogen comes to react with bromine, then formation of hydrogen bromide, hydrobromic acid happen. Next point, when hydrogen react with sulfur, then hydrogen sulfide form. Now next point, second method, that is by dissolving acidic oxide or acid anhydride in water. How this process proceed? Now acidic oxide are called as acid anhydride. Acidic oxide on dissolving in water produce acid. Yeah, it is also known as when non-metal oxide react with water, then preparation of then acid happen. For example, when carbon dioxide, we know that all non-metal oxide is known as acidic oxide, and acidic oxide when react with water, then acid form. In this compound, when in carbonic acid water is removed, then it again form carbon dioxide, that is acid anhydride. It is also known as acid anhydride because water is removed by the carbonic acid. When carbon dioxide react with water, then carbonic acid form, and when in the compound carbonic acid water remove, then again carbon dioxide form, that is known as acid anhydride. Next example, when sulfur dioxide react with water, then sulfurous acid form. When phosphorus pentaoxide react with water, then phosphoric acid form. In this way you prepare the different type of acid. When nitrogen dioxide react with water, then nitrous acid form and nitric acid. We know that it is an important point. Actually NO2 when react with water, then two types of acid form, that is nitrous acid and nitric acid. Now I explain you first about carbonic acid, next sulfurous acid, next phosphoric acid. But when NO2 react with water, then two type of acid, that is nitrous acid and nitric acid form. May this question asked in exam. Now next point, by the reaction of non-volatile acid. What do you mean by non-volatile? The substance which doesn't vaporize easily in the atmosphere, that is known as non-volatile. The salt of more volatile acid. By the reaction of non-volatile acid with the salt of more volatile acid. That means when concentrated sulfuric acid is the non-volatile or least volatile acid. This question asked in exam, write the name of non-volatile acid, that is conc sulfuric acid is the non-volatile or least volatile acid, which react with metallic chloride to form nitric acid and hydrochloric acid respectively. For example, when sodium chloride react with conc H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, below 200 degrees Celsius, temperature must be below 200 degrees Celsius, then formation of sodium bisulfate and hydrochloric acid happen. Next nitrate, that is KNO3, then react with conc nitric acid, Then for below 200 degrees Celsius, then potassium bisulfate and nitric acid happen formed. Next method, that is by the oxidation of non-metal. Oxidation of non-metal means non-metal reaction with concentrated acid get oxidized to respective oxy acid. For example, when carbon react with sulfuric acid, when actually the two volatile acid is hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, and non-volatile acid is sulfuric acid. Make this question are you ask in your exam, will ask come in your exam, so you learn this point clearly. When oxidation occurred, actually nitric acid SNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. Nitric acid very strong oxidizing agent. When non-metal, that is carbon, comes in contact with nitric acid, then CO2 plus water plus nitrogen dioxide form. Next point, next example, sulfur react with nitric acid and we balance, then sulfuric acid, water plus nitrogen dioxide occurred. Next point, phosphorus when react with nitric acid, then phosphoric acid and NO2 H2O happen. Now I am going to explain you about what is the property of an acid. Actually, the physical property of an acid are physical, that is temporal, है ना? Physical, they are sour in taste, we know it, you knew this point clearly. They are corrosive in nature, that is scorch when it fall in our skin, then our skin will be burned. This show characteristic color change with indicator. Acid show characteristic color change with indicator. What's its meaning? Actually, when acid comes in contact with blue litmus, then the color of this litmus paper will be red. This experiment will be you can see in your laboratory also. In phenolphthalein, colorless, methyl orange, maybe red or pink. Now, typical chemical property of a dilute acid are, what do you mean by dilute? The substance in which water present in excess, that is known as the dilute acid. Dilute acid on reaction with active metal, what do you mean by active metal? Produce a colorless and odorless gas, that is which burn with a popping sound. For example, when iron comes in contact with HCl, then ferrous chloride and hydrogen exposed, that is removed. This upward sign indicate that hydrogen released from this preparation of the various compound. When iron comes react with sulfuric acid, then iron sulfate and hydrogen form. In this way, when nitric acid on reaction with metal produce oxide of nitrogen, water, as it is a strong oxidizing agent. Only magnesium and manganese react with very dilute nitric acid to liberate hydrogen. Now, when magnesium react with nitric acid, the magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas liberated. Manganese react with nitric acid, then manganese nitrate and hydrogen liberated. It is very decisive point. Only magnesium and manganese react with very dilute acid to liberate hydrogen. So you learn this point clearly. Reaction with base. Dilute acid react with base to form salt and water, only product, and the reaction is called the neutralization reaction. The reaction in which when acid react with base to form salt and water as the only product, and the reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Reaction is called reaction with base. For example, sodium hydroxide when react with hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide act as base and hydrochloric acid is acid. React with it form salt, that is sodium chloride and water. Potassium hydroxide react with HCl, KCl, H2O. Other example. Next example is that reaction with metallic oxide. What is metallic oxide? That is copper oxide, zinc oxide, copper, zinc, magnesium, copper, all are the metals. And it react with oxygen, then forms metallic oxide, comes in contact with sulfuric acid, then copper sulfate and water form. In this way, hydrochloric acid, then zinc chloride, water, magnesium react with sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfate, water, copper oxide react with nitric acid, is a strong oxidizing agent, and copper nitrate and water will form. In this way we form we obtain different type of salt. Now next is reaction with metallic carbonate and bicarbonate. Dilute acid react with metallic carbonate and bicarbonate to liberate a colorless, odorless gas with brisk effervescence, which turn lime water milky. For example, calcium carbonate react with HCl, then formation of calcium chloride happen, water plus CO2 released. Sodium carbonate react with sulfuric acid, then sodium sulfate and water plus CO2 released. In this way, that's the different example that I provide. If you want to see the different example that is present in your, this example is already present in your book, textbook. So you read the practice of formation of different salt by the reaction of base and acid and base. You more do practice on your by the help of textbook on your notebook. Now next point, reaction with metallic sulfide and bisulfides. Actually, dilute acid react with metallic sulfide and bisulfate to liberate a colorless gas having burnt sulfur smell, which turn acidified potassium dichromate form orange to green and potassium permanganate solution form purple to colorless. For example, sodium sulfate react with sulfuric acid, then sodium sulfate plus water plus sulfur dioxide form. In this way, potassium sulfide react with hydrochloric acid, then potassium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide form. Now next example is given below. You watch this example that is already provided in your text. Now next point, reaction with metallic sulfide and sulfides. Example, metallic sulfide at iron sulfide react with hydrochloric acid, then ferrous chloride and hydrogen sulfide form. Hydrogen sulfide that is form. Next example, sodium bisulfite, NaHS, then HCl react with HCl, dilute HCl, then sodium chloride and hydrogen sulfide form. You practice it more and more times, then we command on it for A to Z example. Now next point is base, that I teach in my next video in detail about the base, what is base, their types, their preparation. Thank you.